Once upon a time, in a cheerful little town nestled between rolling hills and whispering forests, there was a magical preschool called Sunny Days. This preschool was not just any ordinary school, it was where the most extraordinary adventures unfolded every day. In Sunny Days, the children learned through play, imagination, and friendship. The classrooms were filled with bright colors and soft cushions for sitting, and each day began with a song that made the sun smile brighter. One sunny morning, the children arrived at school with excitement twinkling in their eyes. They were greeted by their gentle teacher, Miss Lily, who wore a dress adorned with flowers and always had a kind word for everyone. As the day went on, the children painted rainbows with their fingers, built towering castles with colourful blocks, and even had a tea party with their favourite stuffed animals. During snack time, they sat in a circle and shared stories about their families and their dreams. Timmy, who loved dinosaurs, told everyone about his adventure finding a T-Rex in his backyard. It was actually a plastic toy, but everyone believed his story. In the afternoon, they ventured outside to the playground where swings swayed high in the air and slides spiraled down like curly ribbons. Emma discovered a ladybug resting on a leaf, and together with her friends, they made up a song to welcome it to their magical world. But the most magical part of Sunny Days wasn't just the toys or the adventures, it was the friendships that bloomed like wildflowers. Emily and Lucas became inseparable buddies, sharing secrets under the shade of the big oak tree. They promised to always help each other and never forget the fun they had at Sunny Days. As the sun began to set, casting a warm glow over the playground, the children gathered in a circle one last time. Miss Lily read them a bedtime story about a brave little rabbit who overcame his fears and discovered the true meaning of courage. With sleepy yawns and happy hearts, the children hugged Miss Lily goodnight and waved goodbye to Sunny Days until tomorrow. They knew that tomorrow would bring new adventures, new discoveries, and more magical moments at their beloved preschool. And so, under the twinkling stars and the watchful moon, the children drifted off to sleep, dreaming of rainbows, dinosaurs, ladybugs, and endless days filled with laughter and love at Sunny Days Preschool.